If you have hip pain right here as you're getting that deep squat, it feels like a ball that's keeping you from getting that full range of motion. Here's your home exercise program. Myofascial release, the iliopsoas, the rectus femoris, the gluteus medius, the piriformis, self-pelvic release to improve the neurological function of those hip muscles. And you may feel a pop. Contract, relax of the hip flexors, the iliopsoas, your rectus femoris. Release the external and internal rotators of the hip under tension. Then recheck that squat. Repeat if necessary. For a complete explanation of these exercises, check out YouTube.